I'm excited to share with you this wonderful coffee machine which you can put into your kitchen showcase where you can impress your friends and visitors or in a party. This coffee machine is currently one of the top bestsellers ranking in Amazon kitchen and dining department. So come in and click the link below to go direct into the Amazon website and to look at the product features, pricing and customer reviews, which are more than 100,000 of them, and they have an average of 4 or 5 stars rating. Enjoy and decide for yourself and have a great day.